So today I'm going to be telling you about how we can insert images inside a document, even as a background, its alignments, and a lot of things. So we are going to start now. Images, and there are a lot of ways we can add images to our page, and we have to choose the right image. And you know that you have seen a lot of websites that have pages that have images inside them. So we'll take a look at how these images are inserted inside a web page. And here I'll tell you about this one right here. This is the image tag, and basically the image tag is a singular tag. There is no ending tag. This is img, this is the image tag. Then we have, see this, src. This is the basic or the main part of this tag, the main attribute. Src will tell you the source from where you want to get the image. So this images is basically the folder. Inside that folder we have this file coca.jpg. So if your HTML file is on the desktop and your images folder is also on the desktop, so you will give the path like this, images slash like this, and see this image will display as an output. Alt, inside the alt you will give text. As sometimes it happens due to your internet connection or due to some problems, the image does not display. So when you hover your mouse over the image, it will show this text, a family of coca, and so on. And this is title. The difference between title and alt are same. They appear when you hover your mouse and move your mouse on the image, but alt appears when the image is not being shown because of some issues, and title appears when the image is still displaying. So that's the major difference. So you just hover your mouse over and it will display down the mouse this text, whatever is written. Height and width of image, you can also set the height and width of image right here inside the image tag. Width is equal to 600, height is equal to 450. These values are in pixels, 600 pixels, 450 pixels. Now why would we change the height and width? There sometimes it happens that the image is too big or too small and you want to resize the image, or because you have so many images and you want them all to be of the same size. So you can give this, and this values are given as width is equal to 600. 600 is basically pixel. Where to place images in your code? You can put images anywhere in your code. For example, in the beginning I've put img tag, then I have this whole text, whole para, then I have again in the beginning this tag, then here I have in the middle of the text this image tag. So let's see the output. First time output appears like this on the top, then I gave p tag, so it goes down. Then I didn't give any p tag, I started it, so the image is coming right here. And then I gave the image tag between the para, so it is coming between the para, and so on. Then you can also align your image either left align or right align by using this. Align is equal to left, align is equal to right. You can give this and your image would be aligned like this according to your text. See, it gives such a nice look. Left align would come right here on the left, and the right align would come right here on your right. So this is all about images.